A recipe has no soul. It is you that adds value to a recipe. With that note, welcome to another interesting episode of Career Hut where we destigmatize the ways of pursuing the career of your choice. In this episode, we'll be seeing some interesting career which is becoming a chef in India. Once you've completed 12th, there are some very important questions which run through you if you want to become a chef, right? So, what course should I pursue? Which college to pursue? Which course to pursue? And what's the way ahead in terms of job opportunities, salaries, and your experience, and a lot, right? So that is exactly what we are going to cover in this video. Let's start with a very basic step, which is once you have completed your higher secondary school, which is your 12th standard. Once you have completed that, there are three ways possible. One, you can do a diploma for a year or two, and then you can do a bachelor's degree. Or you can do a bachelor's degree and then if you wish to, you can pursue a diploma. Or thirdly, is the riskiest way where you don't do any sort of course but you go get a hands-on experience and you pursue your own venture in an entrepreneurial way. But let's take the conventional path of how to become a chef in India. So once you've completed your 12th, you can do either a diploma in culinary science or a bachelor's of arts or bachelor's of science in culinary science. Post that, it is your choice to do a post graduation, and also you can do a lot of certification courses in specific interest of yours like baking, confectionery, butchering, fishing, and etc. Now, next question which arises to you obviously is, okay, now that I know what course should I pursue, where should I pursue? There are a lot of colleges in India and also in abroad which gives you very quality education and very deep perspective on culinary arts and also becoming a chef. The first one being IHM, which is the Indian Institute of Hotel Management, which are government-led institutes and they have their own entrance examinations to get inside. And the other two among the lot of very famous culinary schools in India is Culinary Academy of India, Hyderabad, International Institute of Culinary Arts, New Delhi. These are just a few. There are a lot more culinary schools in India, and all of them have their own entrance examinations to get inside. It is not like you have to pursue a particular course to get into culinary science. Rather, what matters a lot is your communication skills. The having English as one of your primary language is important considering all the exams will be in English and there is no option for a vernacular. With that, let's go to the next aspect, which is okay, now that I've completed my course, what should I do? As like anything, like before you go into the field itself, you have to get a hands-on experience, right? That's exactly the next step. Get a work experience, which is called in the culinary terms as apprenticeship, for a year or two in the hotel or any establishment of your choice to get a certification that you are certified to become a chef in any restaurant. So once this is done, it is you entering into the field of becoming a chef. But do you go to a hotel and just become the head chef that easily? It's obvious you don't, right? Like it all has a hierarchy of becoming the head chef. So now you'll ask me, okay, what is the hierarchy which we are talking about? So once after your apprenticeship, once you join the hotel, you'll start as a commis chef or a senior chef where you'll be handling a very specific cuisine or you'll handling a very single station like a single workspace. You'll be handling that. After a probationary period, you will be moving on to the next step, which is sous chef, where you will be above these senior chefs who are handling these individual workstations. Once that is done after a particular period of time, then you move to the third step, which is executive chef or head chef, who will handle both the sous chef and the senior chef, who are handling the individual workstations and also the interns for that matter. Once you have completed this stage is where comes the top level where you become a hotel owner or you establish a hotel of yourself where you become the chef owner, like where you call as a group chef, where you handle everything of the kitchen department of the hotel or restaurant or resort or whatever. So this is the hierarchy which we are talking about, and each of these hierarchy take a very specific amount of time period, and this amount of time period varies from establishment to establishment. Like it can take a year, it can take 2 years, or it can even take up to 5 years. It's what told. Okay, so do you think is just cooking enough to become a chef in India? Obviously, it is not that case. For becoming a chef in India or becoming a chef anywhere, you need these skills, which is passion to create something new. You have to show your love for food in the way you create your food. And secondly, creativity. You should be able to inculcate in creativity in bringing up new fusions and new dishes to the restaurant menu or to your own profile. Thirdly, it is cultural awareness. Your hotel or any establishment which deals with food largely depends on the geography it is set in. So it's highly necessary that you get a cultural awareness of whichever place you're working on. And fourthly, as we spoke in the hierarchy, as you move across the ladder, it is your responsibility to lead them properly. Why? Because the main reason or the main way to impress one is through their stomach, and that entire skill and that entire responsibility is in your hand. So it is your responsibility to lead the entire team properly. And finally, attention to details. It is not like home cooked food where the mistakes are accepted. It's a very highly professional setting which we have to understand. So it's very important you pay minute details for each and everything. And where does this happen? It will happen during your apprenticeship and during your term as a commis chef. So these are all the skills required for becoming a chef in India. So if you have found this video interesting and useful, and if you want to know more such content, please do like, share, and subscribe to Impact Hut channel, and also to join with more like-minded school students. Please do join our WhatsApp group link given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.